Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. We're so glad that you're with us again, and today we're gonna fix a simple difficult stuff problem. So this is gonna be MySQL, Kali Linux. Yes, so when you have a problem whereby you want to log into your MySQL and phpMyAdmin, but you don't, it gives you some error. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix that, and like it gave me problems, and I realized after installation of MySQL, what phpMyAdmin, I could not log into phpMyAdmin to start creating my databases, doing everything I wanted to do. So I ran into trouble, so I had to find out how to fix it. So I got it. It's something major somehow, and sometimes it could be something simple to other people. So let's see how we're gonna do that. So what you do, go to localhost. After localhost, then you type in phpMyAdmin. Okay, here you're unable to connect. So what you're gonna do, first go to your terminal, and you start what they call php. You say service apache 2 start. Okay, we're gonna start that service, and also it's a service MySQL start. Okay, we're trying to start those two. I think the services have started already, and let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, we've started that. Okay, I think that's gonna work for us. So then we can try to see people who had problems will log into. There's the error which it gives you. Error which we get, so which we don't want to get anymore. It's a phpMyAdmin, phpMyAdmin. Error. I'm gonna get it. So that error, got it here. Let me see. I'll go to one of the problems we have here. I did fix it. phpMyAdmin access denied, something like that. Access yes. You're gonna see an error like this. It's gonna say, let me get you there. I'm gonna get you a text thing. I show you what kind of an error I got. Yeah, it tells you like this, like php admin access denied for user root. So that's a problem we get now. So what you're gonna do quickly, because I fixed the error already, but I'm gonna show you how did I fix it. Go to your, I'm sure the services are working, no problem. If you wanna test it, you can say localhost. You can see this and it's working. There's something also I did. Okay, that's fine. So go to your let me get you here where we're gonna go fix it, but it depends where you installed your phpMyAdmin. So go to other, then you see computer, then you look for USR. I did install in USR, so look for phpMyAdmin folder, which is gonna be under share. When you're in under share, you open Apache 2. In that Apache 2, note that No, not Apache 2. Go to phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. I'm gonna go down. We're getting it right there. Scroll down, but it depends where you installed. I've got another video showing you how to install this, how to install phpMyAdmin on local Linux. If you use the same video, then this is gonna be the perfect fix. But if you didn't use the same video, the only thing you have to do is you have to find out where did you install your phpMyAdmin. So let's go. Yeah, it's here. The folder is here. Open the folder, then you look for a file called sample config.sample. So you click here. So here it's gonna be false. What do? You change it to true. Once you change it to true, you're telling the program to use what? It says allow password, it said true. But if you say allow password, then it say false. It simply means not going to give you a chance to log in. So it's gonna lock you out and will give you an error, so you won't be able to log into your interface. So what you're gonna do now, you go to phpMyAdmin, enter. It's gonna log you in straight because of what? Because I did log in. So put in your username and password, then it's gonna give you a chance to log in. So where we changed, it doesn't mean don't go to your you remember what, you can pause or rewind the video, then you see what's going on. Some people might think because you moved the folder to what? Because when you install, after installation, we moved the folder here to var, and we went to www, then we say here, that's where this phpMyAdmin is. No, it doesn't mean you have to go here. It doesn't have to do with this here. This, you just leave it. It doesn't have nothing to do with that. So that's okay. You can see even here, you see the file equals to true. So okay, you can also put it there. Let me see, true. You can also put it there. Let me say false. Yes, there's something I forgot to do. Yeah, go there, also change that file to, let me change it to false back. I wanted to show you something. Then that one I did change it to true. That's, we're gonna see why. We're gonna still look at this. This one should give us something. So one is true, one is false, which is crazy then. And no problem. So you saw we changed one to true, one to false. I want to change both to false. This is false. Copy this, but I'm saying you should change both of them to true. I want to see what's the results here. Go to my computer, then you'll go to where you put this USR, then you say share, then you go back to your, what's this? It's gonna be phpMyAdmin. Please, I'm looking for you. Share. Did we go to share? Yes, we did go to share. Then we're gonna go to phpMyAdmin. We're here after this file, and you log in here, and now you look for sample. Yes, we look for sample. Then yeah, it's false, which is good for us. I think once you change here, it changes that side automatically. Can we test that? Okay, let me make this true, and we test. If you change it here, it will change that side by default. Okay, we close this file, then we go to var, where we change it to false. No, we go to var, then we come here, then we go here, then we go here, and then we try to see for phpMyAdmin. Please look for that file which called config.sample. Yeah, you can see whatever I do that side, it comes this side. So okay, no, that's okay. Okay, that's the file you have to change. Remember the file I told you. You go to location, you go to your because I saved in USR and I saved in share, and I'll go to phpMyAdmin, down, 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 down. I'm gonna go down. Please go down. phpMyAdmin. Don't get afraid to break things. Do it, break it, do it, break it. You're gonna know how to do it perfectly. So you go to this, and it's true now, it works, but now we want to put it to false. After saving it to false, we're gonna close here. Why I'm changing it to false? I want to do what? After changing it to false, we want to close all the browser stuff. Then also we say stop, we say service Apache to stop, we stop it, and also we say service MySQL stop, we stop also that service. After stopping that service, we're gonna go to our browser. Because we stopped the service, the browser should do what? Let me say my localhost that comes. Then we say phpMyAdmin. It doesn't come because it's stopped. But now once we stop the what? Once we start, we're gonna recall this Apache 2 start MySQL. We start MySQL. We call this Apache 2 start. We start it also. After starting that, then we can refresh. You can see, so we go to root, select root and log in. Yes, we logged in. Why? Because it's still remembering the cookies, so you can delete your browser data. Once you delete the history, it's gonna forget, then it gives you the error. So once it gives you that error, that's when you're gonna go to your to the place where we were. Then you change from use password to true, because it says allow password says false. So I'm gonna go back there, I change our page, then we're gonna be able to do everything the way they have to be. Go there, computer, then you go to user, then USR, then you go look for share. If you did install the way I did install it, then you go to share, then you look for phpMyAdmin, which is gonna be down a little bit down. Look after P, say get it. Yes, we find it here. Yes, after Python, no, a little bit up. Yes, phpMyAdmin. Then that's when you're gonna find this file called what? Sample. Then there, that's when we're gonna change it to true. After changing that to true, it's gonna auto update the file, that folder. Remember, in the folder where we moved our stuff. After installation, here phpMyAdmin here, then once you click there, you're gonna find a folder called sample. You don't do anything there because we're just confirming. You see, it did update it, so simply means, guys, you're good to go. So that error, I'm sure it's gone. After doing that, you just know you can be able to log into your phpMyAdmin. So you can do all whatever you want to do. Once you log into root, you log into. But first of all, I want to give clarity on this. What I did update my root password from none to root, because this setup for Kali Linux is 2020 now. It comes with a root without a root password. So once we do a root password, what it does, it's gonna allow the password. The first one, before it says don't allow password, because there's no password anyway, but it won't allow you to do so even if there is no password. So if you run into that problem, you can say true, but still you get nothing, because you might get nothing, which I don't know, because I changed the root password. The root password comes with no password. So what I did go to MySQL, then I changed the root password on the terminal to be root. So that's the thing. You can check on Google how to update. You just say how to update what? Update root password, MySQL root password. Yeah, that's the thing you have to do. So using a terminal. So once you do that, first do that for yourself, because this setup doesn't come with a password on root password. You get me? So you have to put root password to be root, then you put in password, then it's gonna work if you come into trouble. But first do it the way I told you to do it. Then if it doesn't work, go and update your root password, close all the browsers, delete all the cookies and stuff, all the history, then start the browser. Your stuff is gonna work. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, also share our content. See you in the next video.